Splat the cat. The rain is a pain. Splat couldn't wait to spend the whole day in his brand new skates. It was a sunny day. There was one plain little cloud in the sky, but it looked far away. Splat jumped, spun, and flipped. And the cloud got bigger. It got closer. It got darker. Splat tried to skate away. He went left, he went right, but the cloud followed him. It was gaining on him. Now the cloud looked as big as a plane or a train. It was gray. It was dark, stormy gray. The cloud poured rain. The rain is a pain, Splat complained. Inside, Splat tried to dry off. He shook out his fur. He jiggled his paws. He squeezed his tail. But Splat was still very wet. I'll just air dry, he said, standing in a big muddy puddle. Splat wondered what to do next. Use your brain, he told himself. He rolled into the living room and built a racetrack. Splat went faster and faster, around and around. Splat picked up one muddy paw, and then another, and a big muddy stain. Mom was not happy. Out, Splat, out, she said. But it's pouring, Splat explained. The rain is a pain. All the skating had made Splat hungry. He rolled to the kitchen for some ice cream. Little Sis was frosting fish sticks. Little Sis had the radio on. Meow Rock began to play. It was Splat's favorite song. He began to sing and dance. Splat bumped into Little Sis. The frosting spilled everywhere. Out, Splat, out, said Little Sis. I can't go out, said Splat. The rain is a pain. Splat rolled into the dining room. The song made him think of something to do. Let's play musical chairs, Splat said to Seymour. Splat fell flat. Dad was not happy. Out, Splat, out, he said. It's still pouring, said Splat. The rain is a pain. Splat rolled into the hall to take off his skates. But Splat ran into Little Sis. Splat! Her plate of frosted fish sticks went flying. Oh no, said Little Sis. She reached out in vain. Yikes, yelled Splat, but he caught the plate. All the fish sticks remained. Mom and Dad heard the shouting. They rushed in and ran into Splat. Fish sticks went everywhere. Everyone slipped on the fish sticks. Everyone slid on the muddy puddles, down the hole and out the door. Oh no, said Splat. The rain makes a rainbow.